Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2022 Toyota Tacoma with some great exterior features that include a tonneau cover, 16-inch wheels, and a full 3M package. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, we've got black and gray cloth interior. This Tacoma also comes equipped with all-weather floor mats and power windows. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right we have Toyota Safety Sense and your cruise at the bottom. Over on the touchscreen you have your AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection, navigation, as well as your backup camera. Right below that we have our dual zone climate controls and your heated seat switches. At the bottom here, we've got a couple of outlets, along with 2 cup holders and this storage space. You also have a 3rd cup holder behind your gear shifter. Taking a look at our rear seats, we have this storage compartment under the seat bottom. You also have this storage space in the middle of the back seats and 2 cup holders on the back of the center console. To fold the seat bottoms down, all you have to do is lift up on this tab. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2022 Toyota Tacoma with some great interior features that include heated seats, dual zone climate controls, and storage compartments under the rear seats. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.